You will turn the top of the tool counterclockwise until the opening is large enough to accommodate the size of tip you are using. Insert the tip and turn the top part of the roller clockwise to tighten the tip in. Insert the widest end of the paper strip into the slot on the tip. Give the tool a quick turn and begin rolling. Make sure you turn the roller where the colored side of the paper is facing outward. Continue rolling the strip of paper until you almost reach the tip. At that point you will apply some glue to the tip. Push the bead up from the bottom and remove it from the tip with your other hand. You will see the hole is the size of the tip you used.